Hey guys, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. IBPS Clerk Means 2024. All 40 questions with their answers I am going to discuss in this short session. So you will be able to get the complete idea. जिन लोगों ने एग्जाम नहीं दिया है कि क्या क्वेश्चन थे, क्या आए हैं, और जिन्होंने एग्जाम दिया है, they will be get to know, okay, this was the question and okay, it was this type of question. What was the approach and from which month these questions came from, that also we are going to discuss. So let's move into the session. One important information: if you guys are preparing for RBPS RRB PO interview, our interview batch is live on the Guidely platform. You can join it. Currently the price is around 1500 rupee. After the result it is going to increase. चलिए start कर लेते हैं discussion को. So question number 1 was, where is the Animal Welfare Board of India headquarter is located? So where is the headquarter of Animal Welfare Board of India? Correct answer was Haryana. Second question, the scientist of Institute of Advanced Studies, Science and Technology under the Government of India develop affordable, user-friendly, portable, smartphone-based fluorescence turn sensor system in August 2024 to assist which of the following disease? ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन था. So Parkinson disease is the name of that disease. तो अगर आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखोगे, एनिमल वेलफेयर बोर्ड, सेकंड वन, सो मोस्टली दीज क्वेश्चंस आर रिगार्डिंग द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक. इसको हम रखते हैं साइंस एंड टेक की कैटेगरी में. बोथ क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम साइंस एंड टेक कैटेगरी. नेक्स्ट वन, एज पर द IRDAI domestic systematically important insurer financial year 2023-24. so what were the domestic systematically important insurers? तो आपको पता होगा LIC है, NIA है and GIC है. these are the three organizations, right, in the domestic systematically important insurers. so answer was that more than one. तो ऐसा कुछ इसका आपका आंसर बनेगा more than one option. okay, so it was a question which covered in the smart quiz in March 2024 4th week current affairs. दैट इज क्विज पार्ट 3 पार्ट 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो ये हमने स्मार्ट क्विज में भी इसको अच्छे से कवर किया हुआ था, सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन को. हाउ मेनी फॉरेन बैंक हैव बीन अपॉइंटेड एज अ एजेंसी बैंक बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया under the wholly owned subsidiary model for conducting the government banking business as of May 2023? so correct answer था आपके पास 1. One question was, so this agency bank का concept बता देता हूँ. agency banks are the banks which are able to offer the banking facility to the state government and to the government of India. So when you listen that this state government is holding account with this particular bank, so previously this was allowed only with the public sector bank, but now private sector bank can also offer this facility, but they need to get the agency bank license from Reserve Bank of India for this purpose. Next question is related to FATF, Financial Action Task Force, headquarter located in Paris. simple question था. smart quiz March 2024 फर्स्ट वीक पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में कवर हुआ था गाइडली प्लेटफॉर्म पर. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट वाज द एलिजिबिलिटी टू फाइल ITR 1 फॉर्म? तो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए थे वहां पर. ऑप्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू वी नीड टू रीड ईच एंड एवरी ऑप्शन, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी कैन पुट द आंसर. अनदर क्वेश्चन वाज रिलेटेड टू द हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी डिपॉजिट्स. Reserve Bank of India issues the guideline. This guideline will take the effect from 1st of January 2025. According to this guidelines, deposit taking NBFC is required to maintain what percentage of asset relative to the public deposit? It was a type of SLR. It is a almost same concept of SLR which housing finance companies are required to maintain. Currently also they are maintaining 13%. They need to maintain 14% by January 1st 2025 and 15% they need to maintain 15% they need to maintain from July 1st 2025. तो ऐसा इनके पास गाइडलाइन था. सो 14% एंड देन 15% इस तरीके से इसको इंक्रीज करना है. ठीक है. सो इट वाज आल्सो कवर्ड इन द गाइडली करंट अफेयर्स, डेली करंट अफेयर्स. अगस्त मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स था. इवन आई इफ यू विल वॉच माय सेशन on RBI circular on the Guidely platform, there also the same circular have been discussed in detail. Next one, Paris Olympic 2024 not correctly matched. Which was the following not correctly matched? तो इसका आंसर निकल कर आ रहा था अमन शेरावत रेसलिंग, एंड इट वाज कवर्ड इन अगस्त 2024. अगस्त मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स था एंड इट वाज इन द पार्ट 1, 3, 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में था. ठीक है, स्मार्ट क्विज में. नेक्स्ट वन, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रेगुलेट द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट विद the overreaching statutory framework of which of the following act? So RBI is able to regulate the financial market, money market according to the RBI Act 1934 itself. तो वो RBI Act में ही डिफाइन है. It was covered under the daily current affairs in July month 2024. Category under कैटेगरी अंडर विच द नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर द ई गवर्नेंस हैव बीन ऑनर्ड, तो बड़ा सा आंसर था गवर्नमेंट प्रोसेस री इंजीनियरिंग एप्लीकेशन फॉर द इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल ई गवर्नेंस रिसर्च ऑन द सिटीजन, ऐसा कुछ आपके पास ऑप्शन रहा होगा, दैट वाज द आंसर. ओके, एंड इट वाज from the month of January 2024. What is the maximum transaction limit allowed per transaction in UPI Lite X without requiring internet connectivity? So UPI Lite wallet का जो आपका maximum transaction limit था that was 500 rupee, and recently Reserve Bank of India increased the limit of per transaction limit of UPI Lite wallet from 500 to 1000 rupee. Correct है, 500 to 1000 rupee, and the wallet recharge limit have been increased from 2000 rupee to 5000 rupee. So ये भी recently आपका जो monetary policy update हुए हैं उसमें आपके पास updates है. So according to options you will be able to give the answer here. Okay, National Strategy of the Financial Education 2020 to 25, which of the following? So correct answer था इसका Reserve Bank of India. Next one, RBI in June 2024 single rupee term deposit of 3 crore rupee and above for previously it was 2 crore rupee. तो कहां से इंक्रीज किया? So from 2 crore RBI increased to 3 crore rupee. It will be applicable on scheduled commercial bank. It will be applicable for scheduled commercial bank and small finance bank. So small finance bank, scheduled commercial bank के लिए इसको इंक्रीज किया गया है. For the tier 3, tier 4 cooperative bank as well as for RRB, it is still 1 crore rupee, right? So it was covered in the Smart Quiz June 2024. सेकेंड वीक पार्ट 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 था ये आपके पास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था दीर्घायु इज द नेम ऑफ द मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन दैट इज सेंट्रल पेंशन अकाउंटिंग ऑफिस सिंप्लीफाई द पेंशनर एक्सेस टू द वेरियस सर्विसेज. थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ लीक था बट इंपॉर्टेंट ही था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था रिगार्डिंग द निर्भया फंड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज ट्रू. सो वेयर एवर यू विल गेट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज ट्रू, उसमें पूरे ऑप्शन चाहिए होते हैं, अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी एबल टू गिव द आंसर. नेक्स्ट है World Competitive Index, not top 5 in the list. Which of the following was not top 5 in the list? So it was, the question was covered in the June 3rd week. So June का ये आपका क्वेश्चन था, जून मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स था. स्मार्ट क्विज पर इसको भी कवर किया गया था. Tata Power Solar System Limited signed an agreement with which bank to provide the financing of solar unit to the residential and corporate customer? Correct answer is ICICI Bank, and it was the current affairs of August month. थर्ड वीक में कवर हुआ है वीकली ऑप्टिमम में. नेक्स्ट वन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑल 40 क्वेश्चंस आई टोल्ड यू, ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिवाइज जुलाई 2024 skill loan scheme of NBFCs, microfinance institution, small finance bank will also be eligible to extend the loan that is backed by the guarantee against the default up to how much percent of the loan disbursement? So correct answer था इसका 75%. So up to 75% guaranteed loan can be provided for the skill loan category. मतलब जो भी आपके ऐसे विश्वकर्मा स्कीम है under this type of category. After that, a popular cattle race called Kalla, the popular cattle race named Kalla Popattu is conducted in which state? So correct answer was Kerala. 2 questions were there based on Kerala. One more question, that is Khartumbi umbrella. Khartumbi umbrella is held in which state? So Khartumbi umbrella held in which state? So this answer was also Kerala. तो 2 क्वेश्चन थे केरला के ऊपर. Bioethical policy, I have recently made one video based on the strategy of IBPS PO also. In that I have given you the list of around 15 to 20 government schemes. ये उसमें मैंने बताया हुआ था. Bioethical policy काफी important है. So question was based on Bioethical policy which does not deal with which of the following. इसका आंसर था it does not deals with entrepreneurs. So August 2024 current affairs से 4th week smart quiz it was covered on the Guidely platform. Next question number 22. Government of India executed an agreement on the social security with the several country which of the following entitled as a authorized issue certificate of coverage to the employees? Correct answer is EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization. Question number 23. Under the Senior Citizen Saving Scheme 2019, what is the age limit of the second co-applicant in the joint account? कोई एज लिमिट नहीं है डिफाइंड सेकंड को एप्लीकेंट का. द पर्सन हु इज एप्लीकेंट दैट पर्सन शुड हैव द एज ऑफ 60 ईयर्स और मोर. तो उनका एज 60 और ज्यादा होना चाहिए. को एप्लीकेंट का कोई एज क्राइटेरिया डिफाइंड नहीं है. नेशनल स्पेस डे थीम was touching the life while touching the moon, India's space saga. This was the theme of 2024. August 2024 का current affairs था. It was covered on the smart quiz also. I'm going to give the complete PDF on my Telegram group, GA Genius by Aditya sir. So you can download all these questions with their solution from the GA Genius Aditya sir Telegram group. NPCI National Payment Corporation of India have announced NBSL related one question was there. So it is NPCI Bheem Services Limited. We are aware about it. NPCI have listed Bheem as a separate entity now. And Lalita Nataraj ma'am have been appointed as the chairperson or CEO of Bheem as a company, right? So one question was related as the Bheem. One question was related to Bhishma cubes. PM Modi visited to Ukraine. How many Bhishma cubes gifted by PM Modi in Ukraine? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ये question. If you know the answer, write in the comment box. Question was related to Bhishma cubes. Exact idea I don't have. So Bhishma, that is stands for Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog Hit Maitri. This was the full form, and question was related to Bhishma. ठीक है? Agri Clinic, Agri Business Center scheme provide which of the following so correct answer था आपका इसमें all of the above. Next था in August 2024 India named 3 underwater structure in the Indian Ocean. Which of the following? So correct answer था आपके पास Ashoka She Mount, Chandragupta Ridge and Kalpataru Ridge. So these were the answer. It was covered in August month current affairs. Under the differential rate of interest scheme, bank provide the finance up to 15,000 rupee at the concessional rate of interest of 4%. As per the section 27 of GST Act, casual taxable person and non-residential taxable person shall avoid up to 90 days of period in the application for the period of application of the registration. तो GST related अभी questions काफी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं. Last examinations also we have seen the questions related to GST, but the questions are actually very deep, very deep. Next question is India signed the local currency settle agreement in 2024 with which country? Correct answer is Nigeria, covered in the month of May. Smart quiz. NPCI is the initiative of Reserve Bank of India, Indian Bank Association and 10 core promoter bank have started this NPCI. It was covered in the banking awareness insurance PDF of guideline. Next one, RBI. See how many questions are there based on Reserve Bank of India. RBI, NPCI related. There are multiple questions in the examination. RBI projected capex by the private companies could increase by 54% in the financial year 24. That is 2.54 lakh crore rupee in the financial year 25. Okay. So it was the current affairs of August month again. Question number 34. Cricketer Shikhar Dhawan, which of the following world record in his name? Best batting strike rate was the correct answer. August 4th week current affairs smart quiz have covered it. Maximum amount and capital subsidy under SRMS scheme revised from 3.25 lakh rupee to 5 lakh rupee. Actually I was not aware about this scheme. मतलब नहीं था इसका इस स्कीम का पर्टिकुलर आइडिया. Maharatna companies and US based Petron Science Tech Institute have done the agreement of 500 kWA bioethanol plant. It was the current affairs of August month. Then after that 2492 carat raw diamond under earth in which of the following country? Correct answer was Botswana in August 2024. It was the current affairs of August month, covered in the optimum current affairs. Abha is a 14-digit unique code which is a type of health Aadhaar card, you can say that is called Abha. Which organization approved 1.5 billion US dollar to help India's accelerate the development in the low carbon energy? Correct answer is World Bank. World Bank have approved it. Current affairs of June 2024, and one question was related to MSME. So I hope I have given you the complete idea about the current affairs, all the questions which came in your examination. There are lots of questions which we have seen based on banking, financial news, RBI circular, NPCI related. We have already listed GA Hustle batch on the Guidely platform. You can join the batch for the preparation of your upcoming IBPS PO, SBI PO, ECGC PO preparation examination. We are already covering into this particular batch complete banking awareness, complete current affairs and complete static GK. Although our RRB PO complete online batch, interview batch and one batch for the offline mock interview in Delhi NCR is already live. You can join the batch according to that. Do not miss to like the session, subscribe the channel, and what is your point of view on this session, that what type of questions they are. Like questions were difficult in the examination, or you find them this time known, I will not say easy, but known questions, कि आपको लगा कि हाँ क्वेश्चंस नोन थे एग्जामिनेशंस में. सो व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ओवर इट? डू राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग द सेशन. टेक केयर. जय हिंद.